Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love helping the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. In today's video, I'm here to announce our newest giveaway, one of the largest ones we've ever done. We're excited to be partnering with Bespoke Unit, a kindred spirit and fantastic online tutorial publication, which also features a variety of topics ranging from cigars to watches. As many of you know, I've always been passionate about well-crafted timepieces. This is part of the reason we've partnered with Bespoke Unit, who is offering 2 amazing watches as a part of this prize that you'll definitely not want to miss out on. In this video, I'll discuss the different ways you can win this amazing prize and go over the details of each accessory that's included in this kit. To enter our Ultimate Accessory Kit giveaway, you must first visit the contest page at hangerproject.com/giveaway. You can click the link in the top right corner of this video to visit the page. Once you land on this page, you can enter the contest 5 different ways. The more ways you enter, the better your chances are of winning. The first way to enter is by subscribing to the Hanger Project YouTube channel. The second way to enter is by following the Hanger Project on Instagram. The third way to enter is by subscribing to Bespoke Unit's YouTube channel. The fourth way to enter is by following Bespoke Unit on Instagram. And finally, as bonus, the 5th way to enter is by referring friends to join our giveaway through a unique URL. Each referral gives you 3 extra entries. So if you refer 5 friends, then you'll get 15 extra entries. So the Hanger Project prizes that we're going to be giving away in this contest consists of one of our Shoe Shine starter kits that also includes the Saphir Mirror Glass kit in addition. So it's everything that you need to take the perfect care of your shoes and give them a beautiful mirror shine. In addition, no contest from the Hanger Project would be complete without a set of our beautiful luxury wooden suit hangers. We have these offered in any of the finish or any size. In addition, we have our Hanger Project double-sided garment brush, 3 luxury garment bags, and 3 of our dust covers. And now to tell you more about these incredible Seiko watches and the other watch accessories that Bespoke Unit is going to include in this contest is my friend Paul.
Thank you for that introduction, Kirby. And here at Bespoke Unit, we're very excited to offer up in this contest the perfect watch starter kit. We're offering 2 Seikos here. 1, the Seiko Presage as your dress watch, and 2, the Seiko XKX007 dive watch, which is quite possibly the most sought after Seiko reference. We've also put together some great Seiko swag, a double Barrington watch winder, some additional straps, and all the tools you need to change them out as well. Altogether, this package is worth over $1,600. We wish all entrants good luck, and back to you, Kirby.
The final day to enter is May 9th. One lucky winner will be randomly selected and contacted via email. Remember, the more entry methods you complete, the better your chances of winning this incredible prize are. I'm Kirby Allison. Thanks for joining us and good luck.